Isoko wadzo Yoruba wise. Oh, ole waju ma wure mi bie warijo. Ma wure mi bie warijo. Eme word. OTỌFA meaning. Orezi a sense. Ogba, a strong man or a strong woman. Egba, strength. Ogaga, power. Iro, work. Oyele, a lazy person. Or laziness. Oyele is laziness. Oyele, a lazy person. Then Ubiumu, drugs. Uduo, injection. Then Efe, riches or wealth. Dikiye, stand. Baruma, rise up. Naze, come. Naze, come. Navre, go away. Go, na. Navre, go away. Ona, work. WALK. Omamo ware, good thing. Obamu si, hayo omamo vwe, good news. Ewoba, goodness. Uyorwe, hayo oja, rio, suffering. Ewo, town or community. Or orewo. Oboze, right hand. Oboze, right hand. Ekpelobo, left hand. Ekpelobo, left hand. And amere. Soko joreje tino. Arere. That is sweetness. Sweetness. Oya mere. Oya arere. No, Isoko be many. Uzwazo, living. Oza, well. Eno, hayo enano, questions. Then arweri, otter. Arweri, otter. My people, Maritine or Eresias, let's go for a break here. See you in my next video. Thank you. As you share, God bless you. Comment and like. Alright? Isoko to the world.